You know when you have a project that's been laying around too long and you know you have to continue working on it, but too many new projects come up and that poor lonely WIP starts collecting dust in the closet? Well, I decided to do something about this WIP that I had, and to give myself motivation to work on it, I wanted to see how much I can do in 1 hour. So I put a timer on and got to work. This is an easy crochet raglan sweater. I had already finished the yoke and separated for the sleeves, so now it was just back and forth rows for the body. I'm really excited to finish this sweater because I want to add onto it a zipper, which is something I had never done before, and I can't wait to try it out. The yarn that I'm using is called Lorena Worsted from Iced Yarns. It's a cotton and acrylic blend, so it's perfect for a nice warm sweater. The yarn is very easy to work with, it doesn't split, and it works up very nice and soft, and I really enjoy working with this yarn. And here's how much I got done in 1 hour. I'm so happy I did this, and now I'm even more excited to finish this sweater. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. All the best!